Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a quick natural hair update. So let's jump right into this video. So my last natural hair update was I think it was in June of last year. So I thought that it was overdue for me to come and show you guys what's been going on underneath all these braids. So quick backstory. I started transitioning in January of 2017. I big chopped in November of 2017 and I've been completely natural since then. Here is my hair so far. So it's been about 2 years, a little over 2 years, with no chemicals or anything like that. I was pretty much relaxed all my life. But yeah, so far this is the healthiest my hair has been since then. I'm gonna be really honest with you guys and let you know that I am a very non-traditional naturalista. When it comes to my natural hair, I'm super low maintenance with it, but I keep it very simple when it comes to my hair. Make sure it's clean, make sure it's moisturized, and make sure it's protected. Those are my main 3 things. So I don't say I have, well, at the end of this video, I'm just gonna kind of show you guys my routine after I wash my hair and how I do this little puff. When it comes to styling my natural hair, I haven't tried many natural hairstyles. Last year, when I did my last natural hair update, I think that's the last time I did a wash and go. I haven't attempted a wash and go in almost a year. I haven't tried any twist outs or anything like that. I normally slick my hair back in a bun and with the ponytail, but since it's getting long, normally I'll add like a little fake ponytail around my bun, but my hair is getting longer now and I'm definitely more confident with just wearing it like this as it continues to get longer. As far as products that I use to wash, my main go-to is the Aussie moisture line. I'll insert pictures here in this video. I use the conditioner and the shampoo. I do try other shampoos and conditioners here and there, but my go-to and what I always end up going back to is the Aussie brand. So I'm not that familiar with all of the curl patterns and textures, but I'm definitely a mix of the 4s. There's some parts of my hair that are super, I won't say super, but they're more coarse, less defined, and then there's certain areas that are a little more, have more definition. So my hair, like most naturals, is not a consistent texture or curl pattern throughout the whole head. It's kind of like a mix of the 4 range. Yeah, like I said, again, I'm not a real traditional naturalista. I do use heat on my head. I blow dry my hair regularly, mainly because, like I said, I do a lot of protective styles and it's easy for me to style my hair and braid it down once it's blow dried. So I do use heat with a blow dryer fairly often. I have flat ironed my hair a couple of times just for like certain hairstyles when I want to stretch my hair out a little bit or I want it a little more sleek. I'm not afraid to use heat. I don't know, I don't want to say I don't take my hair serious, but I don't want to stress myself out. Like, I see some people, like, they don't use heat, they won't do this, they won't use a comb, they don't, like, I don't have time for none of that. As long as my hair is healthy, my hair is not falling out, I don't notice any breakage, then I want to still feel free to experiment and try different things with my hair, even though I'm natural. Like, of course, making sure that it's protected and that it's growing is my main concern, but as long as that's happening, I'm not going to be afraid to try different styles that may require a little more manipulation to my natural hair. So with that being said, this summer I do want to get a press. I do want to straighten my hair and get it cut in a nice style. So I'm probably going to do that this summer. Depending on how long it gets by the summertime will determine whether or not I do that, just because I want to have I want to have more hair to work with when I do kind of get it cut into a style. I guess, I don't know, for so long I just kept feeling like I was bald headed and that my hair wasn't growing. Like, I felt like it was really stagnant until like a couple of months ago. I was like, man, my hair has really grown a lot. And so yeah, it's time to start experimenting and seeing what hairstyles we can do with it. So yeah, I'm really proud of my hair growth. I think I covered everything. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, as usual, leave them down. Stay tuned if you would like to see how I moisturize and prep my hair and style it in this little ponytail. So thank you all for watching and stay tuned. Jumping right into it, here is my hair after it's been freshly washed and conditioned. Just towel drying it. So here is my natural hair texture without any products in it. Yeah, this is how my hair looks. As you can see, some parts, well, most of it is not much defined. I do have some ringlets here and there, but for the most part, yeah, not much definition. So I'm going to do a quick little length check. I'm going to start on the corner by my ear and just show you guys how far or how long my hair reaches. So almost reaches my collarbone, just slightly grazing it. Gonna go from the top, and the top part of my hair reaches to my chin, kind of grazing my chin. And then in the back, I don't know if I was doing the back right, but in the back, yeah, this is how long it is. So the first thing I like to use is this Lavish Curls Daily Moisturizer. It's almost like not really a jelly texture, but it's an interesting texture. So I normally just work that into my hair first. I usually part my hair into 4 sections just because it's just easier to get the product in my head. So for oils, I use this Sunflower Mega Care Argan Oil, and I use this Wild Growth hair oil, and I start to work that in next. My oils kind of change. Sometimes I use castor oil, but yeah, these are the 2 oils that I'm currently using. I focus the Wild Growth on my roots and then the argan oil on the strands of my hair. Next, I'm going to use a heat protectant. This one is from African Pride. It's the Black Castor Oil Miracle Heat Anti-Humidity heat protectant. And so I rub that in next, and then I'm going to take a wide tooth comb and just make sure my hair is detangled and all the product is worked throughout the section. So if I was doing a protective style, I would usually blow dry my hair at this point, but I'm just going to braid it off to the side and then repeat the moisturizing on the rest of my hair. And this is how my hair looks after it's completely moisturized. Super soft. Yeah, I love this routine. So now I'm going to show you guys how I do this, the little sleek puff to the back. So I'm going to start by just parting my hair off because I do want a side part. And to lay down my hair and to define my curls, I like to use Eco Styler gel. I have the olive oil one, and I also have the black Jamaican castor oil one. My favorite is actually the argan oil, but I don't have that one right now. So yeah, those are the 2 that I'm using. And I'm also using a Denman brush just to kind of smooth my hair back, and it also helps define my curls. I like to work in sections starting from the back and then slowly working my way to the top of my head. And then I also want to show you guys just how well this gel defines my curls and give you guys a close-up of my curl pattern and definition. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to zoom in and show you guys how my curls look once they're defined. So I work in the gel, and then I just use that Denman brush and instant curls. So yeah, that is my hair, you guys. So now I'm just going to continue to brush my hair back into this bun, not doing anything super fancy or special. You guys have seen me slick my hair back several times before, but yeah, this is my 2019 natural hair update. Just wanted to show you guys how my hair has been growing over the past year. I hope this video was helpful and informative in some way. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button for more hair videos. And yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.